Hey everyone, and welcome back. Managing a team in ClickUp's free plan? It's crucial to know the difference between members and guests. I'll break it down and show you the limits first. Members are your core team. On the free plan, you get unlimited. Members, they have full access to create tasks, edit lists, and see everything in the workspace they're invited to. Think of them as your employees or regular collaborators. Guests are for limited access. They're perfect for clients, contractors, or freelancers. You can invite unlimited guests for free. Guests can only see and interact with the specific lists or tasks you share with them, not your entire workspace. The key limitation is on permissions. In the free plan, you can't create custom roles. Everyone is either a full member with all access or a guest with restricted access. Also, remember the 100 megabyte storage limit per workspace. This is shared among all your members and guests, and that's it. Use members for your team and guests for external people to collaborate safely within. ClickUp's free limits. If you manage a team in ClickUp, let me know your setup in the comments. See you in the next one.